Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit, a Christmas special today. I will prepare a Christmas crumble chicken casserole, also known as the 4C. I've got the hat, I've got the recipe, so let's cook good food because the 4C's on. What you will need to make a 4C for 4 is 4 chicken thighs. French word of the day. The French word of the day is Cuisses de poulet for chicken thighs. Cuisses de poulet. 8 ounces of peeled tomatoes. 1 medium-sized onion. 1 medium-sized carrot. 1 garlic clove. 2 ounces of soft butter. Half a pound of soaked white beans. 2 ounces of breadcrumbs. White beans need to be soaked in water through the previous night before you start preparing the recipe. Drain the beans and add them to a Dutch oven with peeled and cut in half onion and peeled and diced carrot. Cover with water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, let it cook for an hour over low heat. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, then dice tomatoes. Rub the inside of a baking dish with the garlic clove. Set 1 cup of the beans cooking broth aside. And drain beans, carrot and onion. Add beans, carrot, onion, tomatoes, broth and chicken to the baking dish. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Bake for 1 hour. In the meantime, mix breadcrumbs and soft butter and cover the baking dish with crumble 15 minutes before cooking time is over. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know below what is your favorite dish for Christmas. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our forthcoming videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir, à bientôt et joyeux Noël!